Welcome to this tutorial on how to use BMO Smart Saver, a convenient and easy-to-use savings tool offered by Bank of Montreal. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of using BMO Smart Saver to help you reach your savings goals. First, you need to have a BMO checking account and be registered for online banking. If you don't have an account, you can easily open one online or at a BMO branch. Once you have your account set up, log into your online banking and navigate to the BMO Smart Saver page. To enroll in BMO Smart Saver, simply click on the Enroll Now button and follow the prompts to agree to the terms and conditions. You will then be asked to set a savings goal, which can be a specific amount or a percentage of your income. You can choose to save a fixed amount regularly or use the round-up feature, which rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and transfers the difference to your savings account. Once you have set your savings goal, you can track your progress online or through the BMO mobile banking app. You can also adjust your savings settings at any time to suit your changing needs. It's a good idea to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. A key feature of BMO Smart Saver is the round-up feature, which can help you save money without even realizing it. For example, if you buy a coffee for $2.50, the round-up feature will transfer $0.50 to your savings account. This may not seem like a lot, but over time it can add up to a significant amount. To get the most out of BMO Smart Saver, it's a good idea to make saving a habit. Set a reminder to review your savings progress regularly and adjust your settings as needed. You can also use the BMO budgeting tool to help you manage your finances and stay on track with your savings goals. In conclusion, BMO Smart Saver is a simple and effective way to save money and reach your financial goals. By following these steps and using the roundup feature, you can make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. Remember to track your progress, adjust your settings as needed, and make saving a habit to get the most out of BMO Smart Saver.